Hello, hello, hello. Hi. Hello. Sorry. Can I just say something? Um, before I started to stream, I had like zero motivation to stream today, like zero. And I was like, oh, I don't really want to, and I can't. And now that you all have, well, I didn't even really start. It has been 5 minutes since I'm streaming, and you all are already here, and I've been filled with so much love and so much happiness, and now I'm happy to stream. Yay! Hold on. Well, welcome in, crew. Billy! Okay, that was brutal. I should be more excited for crew too. Crew! Sorry. Billy! I love you, Billy. Nissa! Hello, hi. You're still in Geneva, right? How is it? How's life there? How's the thunderstorm? You know what? Well, I could tell that to every one of you. My father sent me a picture of a friend of him that lives a bit further away from us, well, like 45 minutes far away. And he had like, how do you call them when it's not just thundering, but there's like ice falling down to the ground. They were that big, like seriously that big. He held it like that in the hand, in his hand. So yeah, that's scary. Billy, you can also ask in here if there's a question about GIMP. I mean, if I can answer it, I don't know if I can. I don't actually know anything. Right, Thea, welcome in, and thank you for pointing out the stream title. It took me about, well, I think the way I understand it is the crew corrected it because wait, what is it? I lagged. Is Twitch bugging? It's me? Ah, for God's sake! Sorry, that was brutal. I don't know what it is. My computer is like not that great today. I'm not gonna say anything bad. Hold on, I close multiple stuff, so that maybe will help already. Last time that helped. We don't need all of this. We don't need that. We don't need that. Why can't I close you? Yeah, I want to close you. Is it a bit better now? My CPU looks good, but it's not fun when you are not, hey. I'm just gonna continue. You can tell me if it's better, but I don't know. Maybe we're not gonna do it a long time today. Probably if it's really that bad. Where was I? Well, I think, yeah, I looked at the title for like 10 minutes. No, actually not. But I looked at the title. I read the title about 10 times and I couldn't figure out the mistake until the 10th time when I saw, oh yeah, okay, never mind. I believe Crew corrected it because he said refresh the title and then it's gone. So I guess he did. Nanaji, hello, hi, welcome in. How you're all doing, by the way? Troa, hi, hello, wait, I didn't want to stream today and I didn't, so good on you for doing it. Yeah, sometimes it's like, it's not even that I don't want to stream and I don't want to be here, it's just sometimes you're like, I know like the current few weeks, I have been way more tired than I used to be. And sometimes like getting up and getting motivated is harder in that time. So that's why I sometimes am not that hyped as I used to. But I try to get back. I try to get my energy back. Hold on. How are you? Hi, beautiful. Aww. Well, I'm doing great, by the way. Well, just as I just mentioned, more tired than I used to. Wait, there's so much. Is it still lagging? Can someone tell me, can someone confirm or deny or tell me if there's still a struggle? I appreciate it. Yeah, Crew important. We know he's an awesome friend who is ready to stream soon. You should change that, by the way. It's not a might. It's an is now. It changed. Yeah. And Billy with the girl, I love it. Billy, I love you so much, really. I like to think that we don't disappoint with support. Wait, I like to think that we don't disappoint with support. Oh, but you corrected my title. My internet keeps dropping, so I'll be here in spirit. No worries, thank you so much for being here anyway. No, is it because of the thunderstorm? Is it really that bad? Hold on. It's me that's like, well, what can I do? Hold on. I'm figuring out. I'm texting my manager. I type slow. What? I don't know if it's because of the thunderstorm. I don't even know if it's because of my internet. Guys, I'm sorry. I am sorry. I don't know. It's Wait. Bear with me. I'll figure it out. I'm probably not. We'll figure. We can. I don't know. She didn't want to stream and now it's lagging. I'm sorry, but now I want to stream and it's still lagging. It's karma. It's karma. Ah. I don't know. I don't even know if you understand me, guys. I don't know if anyone is actually hearing more than a sentence of me. So what are we doing? Is it even, I don't know how bad it is. Oh, I feel bad. I don't even know what the problem is. Hold on, I'm gonna go to the be right back screen. But how better? Is it better now even if I talk? Or was that just the be right back screen that was better? Because if it's now gonna start being bad again, then it's probably because of the camera and way more frames. Or way more like stuff. You corrected the mistake. Wait, how far are you back? If I restart, the mistake will still be there. So I'll just do that right now because I'll forget otherwise. I tried. Is it now bad or good or not? I don't understand. Guys, can someone confirm that it's not lagging anymore? I already have like everything closed that I can close. Actually, I don't. I have some stuff open that I can close now. There you go. I mean, as long as no one's gonna answer me, I'll just trust the fact that it's good now. I don't know. Is it? Hello? Guys? Am I talking to a wall? Is even someone still here? Huh? It's not for me. It's not better. What about different people? Why isn't everyone saying it's better? Now it is working. I'm confused. You guys confuse me. It's a delay. Better, more stable for me now. Okay, you know what? We'll try. We go with it. If it doesn't work, we'll try restart. And if that doesn't work, we have to stop. We'll just try. Thank you, 1000x, for pointing that out. You're not the first to use the command today. Also, welcome in. Okay, we'll just try. We'll just let's see what happens when we go to gameplay. And back to the game. How is that? Because if that's very laggy, that's not fun. Oh, by the way, I made a new decoration, everyone. Look, we have an entry here. We have an entry here. So much delay. It's weird because I have so good... Well, I know the internet is bad today. I found that out today and I was already confused. But it's not that bad. I mean, like, it's instead of like 1,000 gigabit, it's like 300. So yeah. Internet, stop bullying Exfoliate. Yeah, thank you. Stop bullying. It's not that, I don't understand. I just checked. I think it's my computer, honestly. No. I think it's my computer. He went on strike. Well, my computer went on strike day already. Have you tried kicking the internet generator? No, we're not doing that. Maybe I could fight off the storm. Well, guys. But I mean, a delay is one thing, but is it lagging still? Okay, I thought it. Well, I don't know. You know what? I'm gonna watch myself now. Hold on. You don't even hear the game, so it's fine. I need to know how bad it is. I need to figure that out. I don't know if I am. I don't really see. Yeah, I should be back. Hello, hi. How is it? Is someone seeing me? Is someone, hi, hello? I still have struggles, like my chat, I can't move my chat. Let's see if I can grab that one. Pop up. No, that doesn't really show you. Is someone seeing me? Am I talking to a wall? I don't even know. I can't move my chat. My chat is now in the middle of everything, but yeah. Why can't I move my... I hate this. Welcome back. Okay, but a bit of a delay. Still the same. Still struggle. Still... I'm not gonna swear, but still okay. Not great. Well, yeah. Great. Delay's better, but still awful. Okay, great, awesome, perfect. And now what? Now, do you want to watch me with a delay? Do you want to? Should we cancel? Like, do you even want to watch this madness? I mean, what I can offer for people who want to be a bit social, we can jump into a voice call of my Discord and have a chat there. That's what I can offer. Like, instead of like being here. And if you actually want to watch me play Subnautica,